Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding Gadgets. I've got the W702Bs from Carpuride on the bike today. I've been using this unit for about 6 weeks, and I thought it's about time I did a video just showing the functionality with the Wonderwheel, as that is the main attraction of the BS units, you know, the 702BS and the 502BS. The difference is one is 7-inch and one is 5. But it does work well and it's quite cool to have on your bike, I think. So I'll just go through some of the functionality so that you can see the type of things that you can do. Now, first of all, I'm in the CarPlay menu, which is iOS, obviously, and it also works with Android Auto, so it works with both. So if I tilt the wheel to the left, it will go to the data display menu, and this has got all the stuff from the bike, basically rev counter, etc., and a few bits more than the older GSs give. Mine's a 2017, but this gives a bit more info than even that does. It gives tire pressure monitors, it's got lean sensor, brakes, front and rear, it shows when you press the brakes, and the usual ambient temperature, etc., except everything is on the screen. Now, one other thing that you can do when you're on the screen is if you press the cancel indicator button, these two, you can select between these two. Now, if I go to the info, and if I do that, it will bring up all the info for the bike. So, you know, all the kind of stats and stuff that you might want. And by the way, on that screen, the icon you see for the bike, you can change that. And there's a video I've done that shows you how to change that. Also, in the smartridinggadgets.com forum, we've got ready prepared files for that. So it's just they're on a transparent background, they're the correct size, and all you have to do is just take them and load them in and follow the instructions in the video that I've done. The video is also on the page, and each one of them on the forum at smartridinggadgets.com. But anyway, back to this. If we go back to here by just tilting left again, you'll see that I can select down the side here for just turning the wheel. Now if I tilt it to the right, I can open up Waze in full screen because I've got that selected from here, so it's opened it up full screen for me. And if I tilt it again, I just take it back to the menu again here. Now if I just keep going forward, it will take me to the apps display. So here you can go through all the apps that are on your screen. If I just keep going, it will go to the second page, to whatever's here. I've just done a video showing how to get all the apps that you need on the first page, so that it's here, the things that you use the most, so you've got them there. That's on the YouTube channel, so if you want to have a look for that in case you don't know how to do it. But again, from here, you just highlight them with the black, you know, so let's say if I just choose classical, which is the Apple Music classical app. You can just scroll through, choose a playlist. That's it playing. It's actually playing on my phone because I've not got the comms unit on, but you can see it's playing there. I'll stop that again. And again, I can just go back to Waze if that's where I want to go, just by tilting the wheel again. Let's see, while you're in Waze, if you select the bookmark icon, go in here, you can actually, any routes that you've got saved, you can tilt the wheel and it'll start the route for you. Then if you want to stop it, you can stop it as well. Just select it up on there like this, tilt the wheel and it'll stop it. So there's quite a lot of different things that you can do. It's one of those things, once you start using it a little bit, you'll find that it's very handy, you know. But for me, it's really, really good. But the main things that I tend to do is generally just changing tracks of music, etc. You know, so if I've got this playing like this, I'll just use this to forward tracks or rewind or whatever. Anyway, if you're still on the fence about buying one of these units, there is a 30% discount code in the description for the video. So just click through from that and that'll give you 30% off. But I think at this point in time for the BMWs, these are one of the best units that you can buy. Thanks.